Basically what I thought we would start with is what's happened to the decent house and property market, what's currently happening to the decent house and property market, and what the future holds for us. I'm sure most people will sort of be interested in that. What's happened to property values in the last sort of 18 or so years? Excuse me, Bex, could you bring my water out, please, on the table? Well, you can see that there's a bit of comparison with local towns as well. In the last 18 years, since the year 2000, property values have increased by about 325%, give or take 1%. Interestingly, it's the lowest from Bury St Edmunds, Thetford, Stowmarket, and the east of England is a whopping 344%. A lot of that was in 2016, when in this, prices rose by 16%, and in East Anglia by 12%, just in that 12 months of 2016. So there was a big price rise then. So you can see that obviously, generally speaking, property in the long term is a good investment. This is just a bit about the volume, and it goes from year 2000 to the middle of 2017. As you can see, the spikes in every way, and there's a dips as well. And the spikes seem to be in the same places they are every year. So you can see that you tend to find that May is on those stats is the busiest month of the year, and then it tends to tail off for November, December, and January. Still a market there, but it's just not as busy as sort of in the spring, early summer. Just another slide, same again. That's probably you can see it a little bit more as to what's happened. 2007 was really a spike there. Again in 2014 and 2016. So again, these are general figures, but you can just see how things are going, and it's going in a W basically, down, up and down, and up and down. And you can see it's starting to go down again now. And I think if we were here next year at this time, you'd probably see that 2018 is probably going to be about here. Going to be here. Because the market's already tightening, and we're finding that sort of we're having to dig out sales. Sellers have got to be more realistic on their price, and if they're not, I will say to them, well, if you see the value of that, the best thing you can do is probably keep it, because you're never going to sell it at that price. So home ownership versus renting. The supply of private rental properties in the market has more than doubled in the last 10 years. We are turning to more European way of looking than we ever have been, and more people are actually renting, want to be more mobile, and I'll touch that a little bit later on. Question, why have the younger generation, 18, 25-year-olds, become a nation renters instead of buyers? Well, I think we're now in a disposable society, aren't we? My dad used to make do and mend. My mother used to darn the socks. Nowadays we just throw them out. And this generation now, and probably 25 to 35 even, it's a question of saying, well, I'm not going to repair it. I won't take the video to the DVD to the menders. I'll just go and buy a new one because Argos is 20 quid. So people's the way people's mindset has changed. And the question: have the British ended their affair with property ownership? Well, perhaps in this room, not, but a lot of people have. So why aren't 18 to 25-year-olds buying property? Well, it's too expensive. We've seen that properties in the last 18 years has gone up by 325% in this, and 350% in the likes of Bury St Edmunds. Bury St Edmunds, incidentally, very much affected by the Cambridge corridor, the A14. It's cheaper to buy if you're working on the Science Park in Cambridge. It's cheaper to buy anywhere within an hour's drive, which is like the Stowmarket. And they can still get into work quicker than if they lived in the centre of Cambridge. More people now want to be mobile. Now with job mobility, people sort of, I've got some interesting things coming up as well a bit later. And plus the fact if they're renting, they can't get a deposit. So from a point of view of a landlord, you hear all this doom and gloom, and I've got some doom and gloom coming up a bit later, but essentially there is doom and gloom, but property is still a good investment. and it's all about choice. And essentially, and I'm not going to steal the mortgage man's thunder, but I just thought I'd put this slide up. It's actually cheaper to have a mortgage. Sorry, can you see? Sorry. It's cheaper to have a mortgage than it is to rent.